Sweetie Pie, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have something exciting that I've been actually waiting for a bit now. I've been like just trying them out and seeing if they're, you know, actual dupes. And if you've seen the title, you know what I'm talking about. Today we are going to look at the Essence Metal Shock liquid eyeshadows, and I have 5 of them and I'm trying to hold them up and it's just not happening. There we go. All right, so I have a story behind these. So if you guys would like to see these Stila liquid eyeshadow dupes, they aren't like, I think they are dupes more for the liquid eyeshadows, the shimmering glows, more than they're dupes for the magnificent metals, but a few of them do have some beautiful glitter in them. So stay tuned because I'm going to be doing swatches, a couple little comparisons. I also have the ColourPop Supernova shadows as well. I don't have any complete dupes, but these are identical, just in new fun colors. So if you guys would like to see the swatches of these, if you'd like to see, you know, how they compare to the Stila and the ColourPop, then stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. I think that you should definitely subscribe because I definitely think you would have fun on this channel. I think that there are tons of videos that you could watch and be super happy with. I know it. I know it. I know it. So let's get into this video. All right, guys. So I'm just gonna go through each of the Supernova Metal Shock shadows from Essence that I have. I have 5 of the 7. There are 2 more of them. One is a green, which isn't really close to ColourPop's. This is the Mothership one. It's a little bit darker than this one. All of these are on the little bit darker side. I do have one that is like a peachy tone, but most of them are, you know, purple and black and gold and silver. They're like smoky eye colors. I have done quite a few looks with these and they are so beautiful on the eyes. I have really hooded eyes and I'm actually wearing the one in Solar Explosion today, and like you can see besides the shitty eyeliner that they are super shiny, really beautiful. So let's go through the colors. The one I am wearing today is Solar Explosion, and I do find that these layer up beautifully as well, and they don't like crease and crimp throughout the day. I think that a lot of the time when you put too much of the Stila ones on, especially ones that aren't as pigmented, you can end up with a bit of a mess. These go over perfectly. So normally the way I would apply them is I would take them, put it on where I want it to be. Today it was my entire lid, and then I would pat it out a tiny bit so that it's a little bit blended, and then I would go ahead and put one more layer on the actual lid itself. They dry down very matte. They aren't like transfer. There's no transfer. So yeah, so anyway, back to the swatches. Solar Explosion is the gold. Then we have this peachy one, which is Second to Mars. And this is the only one that I find a little bit chunky. Not chunky, but just a little bit harder to blend out. But there's a favorite of mine. Is it this one? In the Stila, these are the Glittering Glows, and it is in Peachy Sheen. That I think is a very good alternative to it. So Peachy Sheen is here, and Peachy Sheen has a little bit more silver glitter in it, but with the, what is this one called again? With the Second to Mars, it's more pigmented. So if you're looking for an actual peach that's going to be really impactful and has peach pigment in it, you're going to prefer the Essence one. This one is beautiful and one of my favorites, but I usually build it over top of another eyeshadow, usually an orange or a peach. So I would like to see what these would do over top, like putting this one on and then putting this on top of it. I will put that down in the description if I do that before I put this video out. Alright, so yes, we have those two. Then we have two that I swore were exactly the same, because I had three from my Essence video, What's New in Essence. I will link it down below, and it's a bunch of new Essence stuff that they brought out. And I bought the color Total Eclipse. And then I went to the store and I was like, I really want a few more of these. And I got the black one called Galaxy Rocks. I would say you may not need both of them. I'm gonna swatch them. This one in Total Eclipse is more of a purple, and it layers beautifully over top of like a black smoky eye. Whew, so pretty. This one as well, it is so pretty. I wore this morning, and then I took my makeup off and did it again for filming. Yeah, I know. Because I really wanted to just use some of the products now that I'm off work for a couple weeks. So yeah, this one in Galaxy Rocks is the black one, and then you have the purple one, which really has a green like shift of glitter in it. I'm not sure if you can see, but it is so pretty all over the lids. Like, I would definitely use these all over the lids all the time. Anyway, then we have the last one. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, the fifth one is, it's the silver, it's so pretty, Moon Dusked. And this one is gorgeous. It is just your, you know, typical silver. Like, oh my gosh, look at that. And then I just want to swatch. I know they're not the same color, but this is the Supernova in Moonlit. And as you can see, like, the swatches are very consistent with the Essence ones, very consistent. And with the glittering glows, like, I'm going to take one shimmering glow. This is the one in Twig, and this one I love. And as you can see, the shimmering glows have a lot of pigment to them, depending on which one you have. All the ones I have, which are Kitten, Twig, and oh, is it just Kitten? No, here's one. I have Kitten, Twig, and Grace. Beautiful. Grace and Kitten, beautiful for the like the inner tear duct. Oh my gosh. I'm not saying that these products aren't amazing. I just think that the Essence ones, if you're looking for a cheaper alternative, by far the best one I've found yet. So yeah, then you have like the Twig one right here, very comparable to the swatches of the metal ones. The metal ones, as I can look, have a lot of silver reflect in them, and I don't know, I just think they're absolutely beautiful. Now this one in Moonlit by ColourPop, it really stands out on my arm here because it has some very pretty like pinky glitters in it, but we're not talking about that one. These two, I don't think you would need both of them. I think that I will get pretty much the same look out of both. So yeah, Galaxy Rocks and Total Eclipse, I think they're pretty darn similar, just a little bit of different undertones. So let's talk about price here for a minute. The Stila ones are a whopping $31. I have two of the full-size Stila ones. I have Smoky Storm, and I have Diamond Dust. My Diamond Dust is getting down there. Like, it is getting down there for sure. You can see it through the bottle. Let's see if I can. You can definitely start seeing through the bottle. So if you wear these a lot, you are going to use them up. I do say keep them very closed tight because they are a very liquidy formula. Now, at Christmas time, Stila had a kit that I waited months for, and it was 6 of their glitter and glows, and they have 3 of their shimmer and glows and 3 of their glitter and glows. This was an awesome kit. I will link that in the description as well. But yeah, so the Stila ones are $31. That's a lot. They are beautiful though. If you're looking for like a color that you know is beautiful, I would say go for it. These are very pretty. The ColourPop ones are $7. And the difference in size here is the Stila ones have a 4.8 grams, I think. 4.5 mils in the Stila ones. There are 3.5 mils in the metal ones from Essence, and then these ones are a whopping like 5 mils, 4.7 mils. So it goes Stila, then ColourPop, and then the Essence ones have the least amount of product. If you ever run through these, I will be very surprised, and if you do actually run through the Essence ones, it's going to be cheaper to buy again. Whereas like the Steel ones, I probably will not be getting too many of the full sizes. I really want the blue one though. Gosh. Anyway, I hope you guys have gotten a little bit of information here. I hope my swatches kind of helped. I know that I can't find complete dupes for colors, but I think that if you're looking for some more interesting colors, some colors that Stila does not own yet, I think those were a great alternative. I will link the video for my Essence review, and you can get like the whole shebang of information, and I will also link my Stila review for you guys. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I was so ooh, spitting everywhere. I was so excited to do this video. I love when I can find cheap alternatives to high-end products. I think that these are beautiful. I think that if you love like dark smoky eyes, oh my gosh, some of these colors are going to be your bomb. And even if you like more neutral colors, the gold and the peach are super pretty as well. I'm gonna throw in some swatches right now of each shade so I can show you a close-up, and yeah, then we will call it a video. Doing dupe videos. I had a lot of fun trying to figure out if there was any dupes or if this was like as good as the Stila or as good as the ColourPop. I think these last really well. I didn't even use a primer this morning. I just threw these on with some Huda Beauty shadows, and I think it worked amazingly. And that's pretty much all I've been doing lately with these. I'm gonna try a cut crease like I did with the black one later, but these are a steal. I think if you guys have a place that you can get Essence, then definitely go check, because they're bringing new stuff out. It was definitely at like 3 of the Shoppers Drug Marts I checked, which is the normal place for Canadians to buy Essence, I think. And I will link down below, hopefully, some places that I think you can get these, so people can get their hands on them. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!